This subtopic is 4.2, which is vector algebra, and they follow the standard rules of vector algebra that we learnt back in year 11. So we have this one, for example, where we're going to be adding two vectors here. If I'm going to add a plus b, I'll essentially be doing -1, 3, and 2, plus 3, 0, -1. And if I add those two vectors together on the top, I'm going to get 2, and then 3, and then 1. If I do 2a take b, that's going to be 2 lots of -1, 3, 2, take 3, 0, 1. So that becomes, so we factor in the 2 first, -2, 6, 4, take 3, 0, 1. This becomes -5, 6 take 0 is 6, and 4 take 1 is 3. Alright, then we got mod a with b. So mod a is sort of like the length of a. So mod a is going to be square root of -1 squared plus 3 squared plus 2 squared, which is going to be root of 14. So mod a with b is going to be 3 root 14, 0, and minus root 14, once I factor that in. The other thing that you like to do is algebra with vectors. So this is the same as algebra with real numbers. We're going to solve this for x. I would get adding r to both sides. So I'm going to get 3x equals s plus r. And since these are all vectors, I'm going to draw it with little lines underneath. So I'm going to get dividing by 3 essentially. But you can't divide by 3. You're not allowed to divide a vector by a number. What we're going to have to do is times both sides by a third. And what that does is we're going to get x on its own equals a third of s plus r. So it's kind of like s plus r divided by 3, but you're not really allowed to write it as divide. C take 2x equals d. If we add 2x to both sides, I'm going to get c equals d plus 2x. So 2x is going to be c take d once I take d from both sides. So x is going to be a half bracket c take d once we solve that. And that's how you do algebra with vectors.